After facing the terror of the Mongol invasion, nobody would have dreamed that a serious peril could ever rise from the east again. However, Timur the Lame, a mighty warlord from Transoxania, has arrived on the eastern borders of our maps, bringing with him a legacy of conquest that cannot be ignored. Having already conquered Persia and distant India, Timur is certain to bring with him something exotic to show the people of the West. Something they will be sure to remember as long as they live.
Ready and able. Ready and able. Ready and able. With honor. We can go no further today. Ready and able. Ready and able. Combining forces to ensure victory, Seigneur. Ready and able. Seigneur, you. Joining forces, Seigneur. Oui. Merging armies. Seigneur. Mon roi. By your will. For the honor of France, we will attack.
That's right, fool! It's an enemy ship!
Leave me be, infidel. Empty.
Ready to say.
Admiring the enemy. Would you believe I'm just laying low? No, the enemy surrounds us. We're besieged. and able. Glory to mon roi. We attack. We are triumphant. Glory to France. Ready and able. Oui, Seigneur. Closing to engage. Oui, as you wish. Today's my orders.
Can you not tell friend from foe?
Ready and able. Ready and able.
For France. Would you have me negotiate or seek a suitor? Someone to charm, oui? I am ready to approach them, mon roi. For the future of France.
You are not my commander.
Ready and able. Glory to mon roi. We attack. Ready and able. For the honor of France, we will attack. Give the order and we will strike, Seigneur.
I'd never take orders from you.
Seigneur. Leave me be, infidel. Emshi.
Master.
No.
If it is the fight you wish, come closer.
Ready and able. Oui, Seigneur. Closing to engage. Ready and able. For the honor of France, we will attack. Give the order and we will strike, Seigneur. Glory to mon roi. We attack. Give the order and we will strike, Seigneur. Where shall we strike?
You want us gone? Then do something about it.
Ready and able. Ready and able. Orders? As you wish, Seigneur. Ready and able. I would if I could, Seigneur. I would if I could, Seigneur. Ready and able.
Admiring the enemy.
I go where he does, Father. Farewell.
We are under siege. Shall we ride out and crush them? Ready and able. Oui. Setting a vigilant watch here, mon roi. We can go no further today, mon roi. Ready and able. For the honor of France, we will attack. Oui.
Orders?
Combining your forces. Oui. Merging up. Combining your forces. Joining forces, Seigneur. Oui. Merging armies.
An order? Huh. Archie.
Orders? By your will, Seigneur. Today's march ends.
Where shall we strike? Hold.
Yala, my sultan wishes you... You should face trial for heresy.
We will not surrender these waters easily.
Ready and able. Setting camp here, Seigneur. Ready and able.
The enemy Our enemy lays siege to our settlement, mon roi.
Ready and able. Oui, Seigneur. Closing to engage. Seigneur. Huh? Joining into a powerful force of troops.
We would see you dead.
Stopping here.
Was that an attack?
An order? We shall slaughter them. And how could I?
Softly, Signor.
No more words. Draw your sword.
Scouting the area. Sleeping. Unseen, mon roi.
Seigneur,
Offer a treat.
they will regret crossing.
We will see you undone.
Is it not obvious I am your foe, infidel?
Orders?
To battle it is then, mon roi. The day is ours, Seigneur.
Oui, Seigneur. Attacking.
Admiring the enemy.
Oui, mon roi. What? Engaging the enemy fleet. Oui, Seigneur.
We will not surrender.
Preparing to board and engage.
Ready and able. Glory to mon roi. We are ready and able. With honor. Orders? To battle it is, then, Seigneur. Oui, Seigneur.
Have a clean.
To battle, Seigneur. To battle it is, then.
Come and get me, you coward.
Mon roi. Seigneur. Begone! You are not my liege!
Quit that, you damn schooner! Can you not tell friend from foe?
You want us gone?
Oui, Seigneur.
The enemy fleet is upon us! Man your posts!